Intesa Sanpaolo Mastercard Gold app. The pros, the cons. The Intesa Sanpaolo Mastercard Gold is a premium choice among Italian credit cards designed for those who value comfort, insurance, and international reliability. But is it really worth going gold? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. The Mastercard Gold from Intesa Sanpaolo offers comprehensive travel insurance, purchase protection, and global acceptance. It's ideal for both frequent travelers and everyday spenders who want security on all purchases. The Intesa Sanpaolo app adds modern convenience, allowing users to monitor transactions, receive spending alerts, and even block or unblock their card instantly. You also benefit from Mastercard's global customer assistance, ensuring help is just a call away anywhere in the world. Now, the cons. The annual fee is higher than average and the card doesn't offer strong cashback or rewards programs. Interest charges can also build up if you don't pay your balance in full each month. So what's it for? The Intesa Sanpaolo Mastercard Gold is best suited for customers who travel often and want premium protection, reliability, and access to global services. The surprising truth? While it's not a rewards powerhouse, the peace of mind it offers, especially for travelers, makes it one of the smartest premium cards in Italy.